Yesterday was an unusual day for the Shiba Inu. After a string of crashes that lasted days, Shiba Inus eventually recovered, recouping much of the damage from the preceding 2 days. A major development was revealed today, but it won't stop the revelry. There has been a string of questionable behavior from Coinbase and Blackrock as of late. Some are wondering what billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin could mean, but an expert has stated that it could mean something else entirely. If Shiba Inu wants to get its money's worth, this can be a sign. I don't understand. Why am I even bringing this up? Allow me to provide some clarification. Introducing Wealthy Coins, the Shiba for every day. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Hit that like button if you want to see more SHIB news stories, please. Just a moment. Excuse me, what constitutes this? Is there a true uptick in the price of Shiba Inus? Now that everything has changed, Shiba Inu appears to be making progress again, making up for what it lost the day before. God, this is insane. Does this mark the beginning of what we've all been anticipating? My goal is to preserve it. A little increase is better than none at all, and any improvement is better than none at all. After seeing Shiba Inu stall for so long, even a small movement like this seems exciting. Let's be real. Every protest has to start somewhere, right? Perhaps this is only the beginning, though. Is it possible that Shiba Inu is finally waking up? A number of unexpected events have recently occurred in the cryptocurrency industry. In addition, there appears to be a moment when things could become interesting. However, please be patient. We must continue to be cautious. I aim not to detract from the pleasure. Despite its impressive strength, Shiba Inu is still circling a significant resistance level, according to one analyst. And whether it keeps climbing or takes a step back depends on how it reacts to this zone. It happened yesterday without warning. Although most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, were struggling, Shiba Inu managed to make a tidy profit. The fact that it strayed from the market trend even once made it all the more exciting. Taking a step back, though, we can see that Shiba Inu has been facing some challenging circumstances, such sluggish network expansion and diminished interest from big investors. Even more concerning is the pattern he saw in the chart, which, if not addressed soon, might lead to further drop. The situation is exacerbated because, according to recent sources, Shibarium's on-chain activity has dropped. At this pivotal price point, attention is now focused everywhere as long as Shiba Inu keeps his stance solid. But if it loses that backing, things can get tough and another fall might be on the horizon. So, whatever happens after this rally, how exciting it may be, we will just have to wait. Whatever the case may be, everyone is appreciative of this small pump. This is a highly encouraging sign, especially given the recent volatility of the cryptocurrency market, even though it isn't the biggest leap. Now we get to the strange part. This tiny gain has not stopped many investors from making a profit. One authority on the subject offered some really interesting details in this regard. A long time ago, making money was a challenge for just over a third of Shiba Inu owners. The remaining ones continue to incur losses. Now let's move on to the present. Despite the market's challenges, that figure has grown by tens of thousands. More stockholders than last year attest to an increase in Shiba Inu's overall profitability. Even though many wallets are still holding a loss, the proportion of those suffering has lessened. That is an important issue. This proves that, despite everything that has happened, Shiba Inu is still going strong. Hence, it's worth taking note of since, although it's not a full-fledged rally, it's still a positive step. Even so, you might be wondering what the hell is going on? Why has there been such a wild swing in the pricing recently? Taking a step back, let's look at the bigger picture. Bitcoin, incidentally, is heading in a similar direction. Today, it has been showing signs of improvement, nearly reversing its previous losses and stabilizing inside a specific price range. But now we get to the interesting part. One researcher has found Coinbase to be the unexpected culprit behind Bitcoin's recent volatility. Since it is the most visible cryptocurrency, Bitcoin's price changes are always being watched. Nevertheless, there has been an unusual occurrence lately. According to CryptoQuant CEO Kai Yangju, whales, or major Coinbase users, have been the ones driving the price movement. The recent surge in trading activity on Coinbase has played a role in the present volatility of Bitcoin. The distribution of Bitcoin ownership is also more diffuse than previously thought, according to a study. Compared to big institutions and ETF buyers, Binance dealers paid a far lower price for Bitcoin. When compared to the present market, the prices paid by some of the first Bitcoin financiers, such as miners and long-term holders, appear ridiculously low. This diverse group of buyers, with different amounts of Bitcoin, is creating a market where some buyers are selling while others are holding on. Since Bitcoin's behavior frequently sets the tone for the entire cryptocurrency market, it's not unexpected that Shiba Inu and other altcoins are reacting differently. Consequently, the seemingly unpredictable price movement of Shiba Inu is actually part of a much bigger picture in the cryptocurrency market. More is available regarding Coinbase. Interestingly, BlackRock just made a historic decision by selling off a large amount of Ethereum and Bitcoin in just 1 hour. Furthermore, much speculation has ensued. Speculation has circulated among cryptocurrency dealers and wealthy investors after reports surfaced that BlackRock, the biggest asset management firm in the world, transferred a substantial amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum to its Coinbase account. We are talking about the transfer of more than 800 Ethereum tokens worth around $44 million and more than 1,800 Bitcoin worth more than $160 million in a very short amount of time. There are some serious concerns raised by this. Is cryptocurrency becoming a bigger focus for BlackRock, moving funds on behalf of its clients or setting the stage for something bigger? Still, nobody knows for sure just yet. Such changes, however, are not haphazard. The market might soon experience some thrilling action with a move of this magnitude, regardless of whether this is really a routine shuffle or a sign of anything more substantial in the works. One thing is certain: everybody in the Bitcoin business pays attention when big names like BlackRock step up. Furthermore, Shiba Inu, like the market as a whole, could be impacted by the upcoming events. But there is some good news. Coinbase also achieved a major milestone today. Crypto buying and selling will be even easier thanks to a major partnership. Coinbase has recently announced a partnership with Onboard Global to facilitate safer and easier cryptocurrency trading for Nigerians. This is a huge deal, especially for an industry that is growing at a quick pace. Coinbase wallet users in Nigeria may now buy cryptocurrencies with their local currency through a network of trusted merchants, all because of this partnership. In addition, both companies have promised to keep listening to customers' needs while still meeting all regulations. In the ever-evolving cryptocurrency market, partnerships like these might lead to even bigger things down the road. These kinds of moves show that the industry is moving forward, which can be great news for Shiba Inus and the cryptocurrency market overall. This might change the rules for Shiba Inu, considering everything happening with Coinbase. The appearance of important corporations like BlackRock and Coinbase's new partnership, as well as the large-scale transfers of Bitcoin and Ethereum, are setting the stage for a watershed moment in the whole cryptocurrency market. So guess what? Perhaps Shiba Inus will get the most benefits from all this. That is the reason for its size. Coinbase is currently the hub of a lot of major Bitcoin activity. When institutions start trading Bitcoin, when cryptocurrency becomes accessible in new locations, and when trade volume suddenly spikes, it sets off a domino effect. When Bitcoin's value changes, the market reacts. Whenever there is a big rally, Shiba Inus usually follow suit and even contemplate it. Partnerships like Coinbase and Onboard Global are making Bitcoin more accessible, which means more people will join the market if its usage keeps rising. Consequently, there will be more interest in and money for meme currencies like Shiba Inu. This has happened previously. As speed increases, Shiba Inus don't just climb a little, they explode. A substantial price hike might be possible in this case. Those losses